So today, I showed you the 2x2 Rubik's Cube in a video already. But now I got this one, the Avengers one, and I got this one. Stand. So, the first Rubik's Cube I'm going to show you is, I want to show you the stand first. Rubik's Cube boards all on each side. Triangle, and it goes weird. But this is how it stands, Rubik's Cube. But this is Rubik's Cube 3x3. I'm solving one side right now. Okay, because I know how. And the colors green, red, blue, and yellow, and white. And that's it. And orange. And blue. Okay, and now the next one is this 3x3. The Avengers Hulk, Thor and all them. And this is cool, this one. It's mini, if you look back, it's mini. So, I'll show you if they all can stand on here. Let's see, look, they can all stand. And now this one, 2x2. I showed you this already. I already explained this to you. It's the same exact colors. So this could too. This could stand. We'll solve one side. I won't solve 3 on this thing. 3 sides. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So goodbye, everybody. Stay tuned for more videos. Yeah. And stay tuned for more videos. And peace out. I'm just. Yo. Okay, that's it. 1 second, guys. That's a peace out sign. Peace out.